Hello, this is Tomas with BavTech. I got a navigation unit. I have an E38, E39, E53X5. This is the widescreen version. I just did the rebuild on it, so the screen is nice and pretty. I also added in Bluetooth, and so I'm going to show you a little demo on what the Bluetooth looks like. So here's the Bluetooth chip wired in. It's being powered by the motor for the cassette, and it's wired directly into the chip of the cassette so that way you're able to get the clearest audio input possible, even clearer than a cassette, because it's not even having to transfer through the head of this cassette. It's going straight into the processor. So we have to use a dummy cassette. This is what I provide for you, is a little dummy cassette. It has nothing in it. It's just there to activate the motor. So this is a music streaming only. This is not for hands-free talking. If you need to talk to someone, you just have to turn off the unit. You have to turn off the sound so that way you can talk. Because if you don't do that, you'll hear them talking through the car, but they won't hear you. So pair the unit. Obviously, that's the initial process. Once that's all done, it'll automatically pair like it did just now. And you can then play your music. So now if you are jamming to a song and someone calls you, all you do is you'll hear the ringing through the car, so you're not going to miss your call. Just turn it off like that and then take your call. Because it pulls Bluetooth, you're not going to be fumbling trying to switch Bluetooth sources and all that sort of stuff. That's what I've seen in the past, is you have to flip through things and it can be cumbersome. So because it pulls power, it automatically disconnects. You can take your call, and then when you want to continue, you just turn it on like this. You don't have to fumble through your phone again to pair, because it automatically pairs. And you'll see it pair when the volume adjusts here. And that's it. So the beauty about this system is that it's using all your factory stuff. You're not adding in a new module or processor that uses CAN bus. This is a pretty foolproof system. This Bluetooth is a very simple circuit going into your factory circuit. You don't have to deal with conversions to DSP. This works on HiFi, DSP cars, all that stuff. And you also get to keep your 6-disc CD changer. I know a lot of people want to keep them. I don't know why, but if you like to keep your 6-disc CD changer, because you like having CDs, cassette capabilities, and all that stuff, this is essentially adding one more feature. If you want to play regular cassettes, you can still do that here too. Just remember, when you play a regular cassette, do not play off of your phone, because you will hear two audio sources. You will hear the cassette and this. So if you're vintage in any way and you like to keep old cassettes around and you like to play them, you would have to make sure to unpair or just disable your Bluetooth so that way it doesn't come through. And anyway, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. That's how this works, and hopefully you guys like it.